Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. Here are some things you need to know. First of all, we'll learn how to add the fractions. During adding, you add the numerators like normal and the denominator stays the same. An example of this is adding 1/4 and 2/4. The answer is 3/4, and we get to that by adding 1 and 2 together, getting 3, and leaving the 4 as it is. We do not add the denominator, we just leave it as it is, in this case 4. And during subtracting, it is somewhat similar. You just subtract the numbers like you would normally and keep the denominator as it is. That means that if you're subtracting 3/4, if you're doing 3/4 minus 1/4, you just subtract the numerators 3 minus 1, like you would normally obviously, and you keep the denominator, which means you get 3 minus 1, which is 2, and leave the denominator as it is, which is 4, which means 2/4. Now let's do some problems. Here are some problems. Let's start off with examples from addition. So we have 2/7 plus 3/7. Now, if we pay attention to our example, we know that we have to add the numerators, which is 2 plus 3 over 7. And 2 plus 3 is 5, and we leave the denominator, which means we have 5/7 as our answer. The next example is going to be for addition also, and it's going to be a different example. We have 1/6 plus 4/6. It's the same, it's not the same, but the process is the same. We add the numerators, 1 plus 4, no, not 5, my mistake. 1 plus 4 over 6, and 1 plus 4 is 5, and leave the denominator as it is, 6. 5/6 is our answer. Now let's move on to subtraction. During subtraction, we just subtract the numerators and leave the denominator as it is. So we have 9/11 minus 6/11. This example, we will do 9 minus 6 over 11, because we're subtracting the numerators, but we're not subtracting the denominators. 9 minus 6 is 3, and we leave the 11 like that, and we have 3/11, or 3 over 11. Our final example for today is 5/8 minus 4/8. Now, when we subtract this, we again follow the same rule that we did over here and subtract the numerators and leave the denominators. So 5 minus 4 and over 8, because we don't change the denominator. The denominator is not added nor subtracted. Now 5 minus 4 is 1, and the denominator, as we said, stays the same, so it's 8, which means that the answer is 1 over 8. 5/8 minus 4/8 equals 1/8. Anyways, that's it for today, and I hope you learned something new. Goodbye.